StarTech.com's mobile TV cart provides a height-adjustable mobile media center for TVs up to 100 inches, ideal for technology sharing in education or commercial applications like offices or trade shows. Even when a display is mounted, a single person can easily use the hand crank to raise or lower the TV for precise adjustment. It's made of heavy-duty aluminum with a sturdy steel base for added durability and can support displays from 60 to 100 inches, up to 220 pounds. Its integrated handles and lockable 4-inch casters enable smooth transportation across different locations. 2 height-adjustable media shelves support 11 pounds each for equipment storage, while the height-adjustable webcam shelf can be raised up to 93.1 inches from the floor. The mobile TV cart offers universal VESA compatibility and supports both curved as well as flat TVs. The +5 degree, -10 degree screen tilt aids with viewing angles and helps reduce glare from overhead lights or windows for optimal viewing comfort. Integrated cable management keeps cables organized for a clutter-free installation and seamless mobility. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our mobile TV cart is backed by a 5-year warranty and has free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our TV carts through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.